NCETON Review. Cracking the TOEFL 2019 edition. One full-length simulated TOEFL IBT test with accompanying audio sections on MP3 CD, answer explanations for each practice question, comprehensive reviews of core TOEFL concepts. The strategies, practice, and review you need to score higher. Audio files on CD and online. By the staff of the Princeton Review. TOEFL and TOEFL IBT are registered trademarks of Educational Testing Service (ETS). This product is not endorsed or approved by ETS. Better strategies. Higher scores. Audio files on CD and online. The Princeton Review. Cracking the TOEFL IBT 2019 edition. The staff of the Princeton Review. Princeton Review. Com. Penguin Random House. The Princeton Review. The Princeton Review, Inc. 110 East 42nd Street, 7th floor, New York, New York 10017. Email, editorial support@review.com. Copyright 2019 by TPR Education IP Holdings LLC. All rights reserved. All rights reserved. Published in the United States by Penguin Random House LLC, New York, and in Canada by Random House of Canada, a division of Penguin Random House Limited. Toronto. The Princeton Review is not affiliated with Princeton University. Terms of service. The Princeton Review online companion tools, student tools, for retail books are available for only the 2 most recent editions of that book.